That's hers and this is yours.
Mommy, can we just share our toys for Christmas?
Well, I think that would be a great idea.
Boo! Stuff over there.
Did you see that, baby?
No.
Peekaboo, watch what it does, Lily.
Lily, she's saying peekaboo. Did you see your chair?
I got a bouncy.
A yo-yo.
Did you see your chair, Lily?
Yo-yo. Mommy, look what
You sit in your chair?
I got a yo-yo.
You got a yo-yo!
I gotta take pictures. They're not still.
Did I break it?
No, it's okay.
No, that's the way it works, hon.
It reaches all the way to
Yeah,
the
it's kind of
ground.
hard. Yo-yos are kind of hard.
Where did you go, dear?
Oh, okay, rock.
I see.
Oh,
Rock.
Lily,
Rock.
it's your
And
big
I
girl.
got some chocolate and some and I got
Okay, well, you can get down.
Here, Lily, look what's in here.
and I got some
What's in here?
Your
chapstick.
very own chapstick.
Put your hand in. What's in
Yeah, and some
What's in here?
chocolate.
Lily, look. It's some chocolate. Lily. Uh-oh, what's this,
You got
Lily?
chocolate?
Gum? And here it is.
It's a gum.
Hey,
Hold on.
who is that? Whose gum is that?
That's for her.
You want some?
Mommy, will you help me get this out?
See.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Is it hard?
Just what I wanted this, I got what I wanted. I got a car.
You got a car.
Yeah,
There you
and I didn't even ask for
Whose
it.
big old house is that?
What is that right there?
A doll, a Barbie house.
A Barbie
Oh,
house?
look, is this Barbie there?
Yes, but
Here.
I'm afraid I didn't get a pool.
Oh, I don't think there is a pool.
Let's look inside here. Let's see if there's a
Wait.
pool in here.
Let's see how we get it. Oh, there's the hand.
That one gets in the car herself.
Oh, well, that's where you put everything in there.
Where's her?
Who's your baby?
You put her Barbie in there, and then, well, you got clothes. Didn't Grandma give you some
That's what
clothes?
she does.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. I
Where's
like
her
that.
Barbie clothes?
Well, I think Grandma gave some. I think I see some on her bed over here too.
Peekaboo!
No. And where else?
Is it right there? There you go.
Right
Go
there?
back here.
Ready?
Oh, those are pretty dresses, aren't they?
Guess what? I just got a blanket on my bed.
That's pretty fun to have a blanket on your bed. You dancing, Lily?